Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add audio sources per scene in OBS. This is a game changer if you want different audio setups for different scenes instead of having the same audio everywhere. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu options. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will open a new window with all of OBS's configuration options, giving you access to the audio controls you need to customize. In the settings window that appears, look at the left panel where various categories are listed. Click on Audio to access all the audio-related settings. This is where you'll be making the crucial changes that allow you to control audio on a per-scene basis rather than globally. What you're doing here is essentially removing the global audio sources so you can manually add them to each scene individually. Now, under the Global Audio Devices section, you'll see an option labeled Desktop Audio. This normally captures all system sounds globally across every scene. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Disabled from the list. By disabling this, you're removing the default desktop audio from all scenes, which gives you the flexibility to add it only where you need it. Next, navigate to the Mic/Auxiliary Audio option just below. Similarly, click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Disabled. This ensures your microphone isn't automatically active on every scene. This step is essential because it prevents audio overlap and gives you precise control over which scenes have which audio sources active. Once you've disabled both options, look at the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. This confirms all your adjustments and prepares OBS for the next steps where you'll manually add audio sources. Now comes the part where you add audio to specific scenes. In the bottom left corner of the OBS interface, you'll see the Sources panel. This is where all your scene elements live. Click the plus icon to add a new source, and from the menu that appears, select Audio Input Capture. This allows you to add your microphone or any other audio input device as a dedicated source. A new window will pop up asking you to name your audio source. You can keep the default name or customize it, then click OK. Next, you'll see another window with a device option. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your microphone from the list of available devices. This links your mic specifically to this scene. Once selected, click OK to finalize the addition. The beauty of this method is flexibility. You simply repeat this process for each scene where you want audio. For some scenes, you might add only your microphone. For others, you might add desktop audio or even multiple audio sources. This way, each scene has exactly the audio setup it needs without any unnecessary overlap. And that's it. You've now configured OBS to use audio sources on a per-scene basis, giving you complete control over your audio setup across different broadcasting scenarios. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.